Welcome class 5 in your science class. As we have completed the last chapter, soil erosion and its conservation, we were doing the exercise questions and we have completed till the short answer questions. Now we will start long answer questions. So the first question is given here, how is soil formed? So we have written the answer, you just go through it and write down. Soil is formed when rocks break down into tiny pieces due to repeated drying, heating and cooling by the sun, rain and wind. This is called weathering. This repeated weathering over thousands of years breaks the rocks into small pieces. This results in the formation of soil. It is a slow, long and continuous process. Okay. So, once I will repeat again so that you can write how is the soil formed. So, the soil is formed, or you can write soil is formed when rocks break down into tiny pieces due to repeated drying, heating and cooling. Due to repeated drying, heating and cooling by sun, rain and wind. And this is also called weathering. So, repeated weathering forms the soil. This repeated weathering over thousands of years break down the rocks into smaller pieces and this result in formation of the soil. Soil formation is actually takes long time. So, it is a slow, this process is called the slow formation of the soil, or you can say it is a slow, long and continuous process. Even now rocks are being breaking, they are being forming the soil. So, it is a long process, but as well it is a continuous process. Understood? Now, the next question we will see. The next question is given here. We will rub this one and then we will go for the next question. Okay. So, the next question is there. Question 2. Question 2 is there. And the question 2 is, how can we conserve soil? How can we conserve soil? How can we conserve soil? And the answer is, we can conserve soil by following methods. Write down soil we can conserve soil by adopting following method. Following methods. Number 1 is afforestation. Number 2 is growing plants in farmlands. Plants in farmlands. Number 3, avoiding overgrazing. overgrazing, avoiding overgrazing, construction of embankments, embankments, and the last one is step forming. Okay, so these all are the methods by which we can conserve the soil. We can conserve soil by adopting these following methods or the following methods. First one is afforestation, second one is growing plants in farmland, third one is avoiding overgrazing, and the last one is step forming. So these all are only the method we can follow. In details we don't have to write, we will write only the name or only the method's name, and after all if we will another question I will form here, we will do or the extra question we will write about these methods. Okay, so that's all for the day, and write these answers. We have completed the chapter today, and in next class we will do something else, or we will do some extra questions. Okay, thanks for the day. Have a nice